We did a recent long-range testing event just outside of Big Bear. So essentially, we were going for 47 kilometers. The only reason why we couldn't hit 50, we didn't have enough real estate.
We want to go farther. Our customers are asking us to go further, and I have a strong hunch that we're going to be able to push this quite a bit further.
After we finished our long-range test, we got a call from our CEO asking, how far can we go? The reason why we're here today is to answer that question.
All right, Dom, can you tell us about the test that you're going to be running?
Right now, we're planning on getting the plane set for next week. This plane is pretty decked out, where I'd probably be sitting in the back seat where there's all these monitors and monitoring the radio network that way. We're demoing long range with the high power BDAs.
Okay, what range?
We could try to go 100 miles if we have enough flight path.
Right now we're configuring our mesh rider radios and making sure that they're talking. Everything's looking good. We're basically programming everything to be ready for data capture to review after the fact, because the important thing is not only what's happened during the flight, it's what happens after to analyze why we're successful.
We want to prove out how far each of the radios can go out.
Ground control is going to go to a lookout point, so usually an edge of a cliff. If you're setting anywhere up, you need elevation and line of sight, and that's how you're going to be able to go farther.
Gillespie ground, Cherokee.
Let's hit it.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Wing November 444, Echo Bravo.
Corey says he thinks he has us on ADS-B. Once we hit, over that look angle, we'll start climbing and just see if we're getting linked, and then crush and go forward.
Chopper flight 557 Mount Fortuna, climbing up to 4,500.
So the radio connects to the BDA through these antenna cables right here. Okay. We're providing power to the BDAs. BDAs get connected to the radio, and then also to the tracking antenna.
You let me know when you guys are ready, and then we'll be ready to fly outbound.
Did you say you're tracking us on ADS-B? We're flying over the water line right now. So we're over water. Video up real quick.
We're checking.
It is.
Yeah, we see you. Oh, beautiful, clear.
Yeah.
There they are.
We hit 100 kilometers. I want a thumbs up. We did it. 100 kilometers. Let's keep going. We broke the limit. We're at 122 kilometers right now. We broke a record on Doodle Labs. We're getting still a megabit of UDP, which is just good enough to get a video stream through. Huge win. We're gonna keep climbing further.
Roger that. Still getting 2 megabits, no problem.
All right, hey, team at ground control, we just officially hit 100 nautical miles. Huge milestone. And we're hitting, what, 2-3 meg, you said?
Yeah, I'm passing 3 megabits at 201.
I'm going to repeat that to the team real quick. Now we've got 3 megabits of UDP. I can push a video or 2 at this distance using Mesh Rider.
3.77 megabits at 205 kilometers.
3.77?
Yep.
At 205 kilometers?
Correct.
Just to put it in perspective, last test was 47 kilometers. We've almost quadrupled that. Hey, ground side, come in. We officially hit a meg at 200 miles. We've officially turned. We've ran out of airspace.
All right, so are we cutting it here? We'll see you back at the hangar. All right, we'll see you at the hangar.
Roger.
We just got back, everything worked, everything was talking, and we knocked everything out of the park.
I'm really excited about how today went, and I'm really proud of these guys. This team that built this experiment is also the same team that's working with our customers, and they're the ones spending a lot of effort in helping our customers achieve these same type of results.